Hello everyone, welcome to the Action Camera Journey channel. Today, I'll show you how to explore the western side of Istanbul's historic island. We'll start our journey by boarding the T5 tram line at Eminönü. Our first stop will be at the Fener station, where we'll visit the Iron Church. From there, we'll walk through the colorful streets and historic landmarks of Balat, before heading to the Fatih district. In Fatih, we'll take a short break to enjoy some delicious local flavors. Afterwards, we'll continue to Vefa, and finally end our trip at the majestic Süleymaniye Mosque. Don't forget to like and subscribe to follow more adventures. Let's get started.
Sayın yolcularımız, İstanbul kartınızı kişiselleştirerek aktarma ve ilerleme...
After getting off at Fener station, we walk for 8 minutes towards St. Stephen's Orthodox Church. After visiting the church, our first stop is the Fener Greek Orthodox College, which is a 7-minute walk away, along with the historic, colorful streets of Balat. After completing our Balat tour, we walk uphill towards Manyasizade Street. From there, we take any of the buses shown in the picture to head to Fatih. The Aqueduct of Valens, located in Fatih, is an ancient Roman structure built in the 4th century to provide water to the city. Now we're here to try some traditional flavors. Birin is a delicious Turkish dish made from lamb, slow cooked in a special pit oven, giving it a unique smoky taste. It's tender, juicy, and a true favorite. Mumbar, on the other hand, is stuffed lamb intestine filled with rice, meat, and spices. It's a rich and hearty dish, especially loved in southeastern Turkey. After this delicious meal, we walk for 11 minutes to taste traditional milk-based desserts and visit the Column of Marcian on our way. The Column of Marcian is a Roman monument built in the 5th century to honor Emperor Marcian. All the milk-based desserts are delicious, but my recommendation is to try kazandibi. Kazandibi is a traditional Turkish dessert made from milk, sugar, rice flour, and sometimes chicken, with a caramelized bottom that gives it a unique, rich flavor. After a delicious kazandibi, we head towards the Vefa neighborhood with a 15-minute walk.
Tabii buranın bozası burada yapılıyor. Teşekkür ederim. Rica ederim.
Now we're going to drink Boza. Boza is a traditional Turkish fermented drink made from wheat or millet with a slightly sour and tangy taste, often served with cinnamon and roasted chickpeas on top. We're now heading to our final stop, the Süleymaniye Mosque, which is a 9-minute walk away. The Suleymaniye Mosque, located in Istanbul, is one of the most famous landmarks in the city. Built by the renowned architect Mimar Sinan in the 16th century, it is an outstanding example of Ottoman architecture and offers stunning views of the Bosphorus and the Golden Horn. At the end of our visit to the Süleymaniye Mosque, you can relax and have a drink at one of the many nearby cafes, all with a breathtaking view. During our tour, we walked a total of 15,000 steps across all the places we visited. If you have any questions or curiosities, feel free to leave them in the comments, and I'll respond right away. I'll also continue to share how to explore the rest of Istanbul in a separate video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe.